parents only let me like the opposite sex, but nothing will stop me from being with you.